channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to the car. We're not in the garage this morning. We are on the road. We've been on the road for about 20 minutes now. We are on our way to probably one of the best places in Alberta to get parts for your 30 to 72 pickup trucks. The shop's called Scott's Super Trucks. I got a GoPro going, filming the time lapse for our travel all the way up there. It is now winter out there. We've been getting a decent amount of snow, and the highways definitely have some snow on them. I thought they were going to be a little drier than they actually are, but we're in the trusty Elantra. We got winter tires, and we're just going to take our time and just go slow, and we'll get there in one piece. There's a quick example of what the highways look like. They're, I think, pretty much just wet. They do got some slush and salt and rocks and stuff on them, but we'll be okay. Well, like I said, we'll just take our time, and we will definitely get there in one piece. Why are we heading to Scott's Super Trucks? Well, with doing a bit more research, I noticed that we replaced the front door pillar piece. The rear door pillar piece is also missing. I thought it was just filled in with the actual outer rocker, but it's not. There actually is another pillar piece that goes in there, and Scott Super Trucks has them. They're in stock and actually a really good price. So we're gonna head up there. The front bumper and the rear bumper absolutely look like pretzels, and I was gonna try and fix them, but he actually told me, he's like, don't bother. It's just gonna be a waste of time. So, and then also I priced out tailgate, a new tailgate, because ours looks a little bit like a potato chip as well. It's actually kind of like a Pringle, it's all curved. So I got that all priced out. So with the two door pillars, the two bumpers, the front radiator support, and the tailgate, because that's a fair amount of parts, and those are all new. That's not buying used or any of that stuff. I am going to keep my eye out for some used bumpers, as long as they don't look like pretzels, and hopefully they're not the painted ones, because I do want to put the chrome bumpers back on the truck. So anyways, we're going to enjoy our coffee and some tunes and just enjoy the open road, and I'll check with you very soon. Keep watching, and I'll show you more of Scott Super Trucks. If you're in the Alberta area and you've ever toured from Edmonton to Calgary or Calgary to Edmonton, vice versa, and you've not stopped at the donut mill in Red Deer, trust me, you need to do it at least once. If you are a fan of donuts, then absolutely 100% you need to come to the donut mill and check it out, because their donuts are extremely, extremely good. So I stopped and got us some for our dessert and to surprise the wife and kids. I'm sure they'll be happy with the surprise. So let's now head over to Scott's Super Trucks. When you come into Penhold and you see the fast gas, it's very simple. Just turn at the fast gas across the railroad tracks, and then when you see the old truck, I can actually smell an old truck running. But when you see the old truck in the yard, you know you got to the right place.
The destination is on your right. Scott Super Trucks. Arrive.
I'm definitely not picking up everything today because, one, it's a lot of money, and two, I really don't need the bumpers or the tailgate anytime soon. Bunch of old cans. set of them is actually really difficult. So we're gonna have to keep our eyes out at swap meets and just different car shows next year and watching that kind of stuff, because I think it's gonna be really tough to try and find what I'm looking for. Huge shout out to Scott's Super Trucks, super friendly, extremely knowledgeable. All I did was give him the part numbers and he knew exactly what I wanted and the pricing. And he just went to the back, picked them out, and bing bang boom, done. So we got some pieces to continue working on the truck. We actually got quite a few pieces to actually change out now. So I think we're going to be good for a few weeks to move along with the truck build and get it up to snuff of where I want it to be. Welcome back to the garage. We got our filler panels for the aft door posts. I'm just going to quickly take off this outer rocker. I've just got it screwed into place right now. If you guys watched the last vlog, you probably know that we did the front door pillar post and put the outer rocker, just screwed it into place. Before, I actually went ahead and drilled and tacked all of the outer rocker into. I gotta make sure that we get this piece put in and put down properly first, and then we can put the outer rocker on, and then I know that all the structure is back to how it was originally when it came out of the factory, and then make me realize that we've got it all structurally sound back together, just in case if anything does happen, like an accident or anything. There's going to be no major weak points. Obviously where I've cut and welded, that's going to be an issue, but it's better having these pieces in and welded rather than not having anything at all. Here you can see the new bottom door pillar piece and what's missing. So this piece should go into here, and then basically we can cut it where we need to and get all this new structure put back in here for the proper support, because right now one of the big issues is this whole bottom section isn't even held in with anything. So it's kind of a disaster waiting to happen. With that said, we're going to get this all cut out and welded in another day. The other piece I'm happy about is I finally found the right shift boot. I have ordered one and it kept coming the wrong one. It was angled for the angle on the tunnel. I'm not sure why that one kept coming, but finally this one's flat. So we can get this entire ring. I got a new ring, which is good because this one looks pretty ratty, but we can finally get this hole all covered up and get it back looking nice and factory, so that when we put the sound deadening foam and the new carpet put in here, then we'll also have a nice new shift boot. It's coming together. We're getting quite a few parts, which is good. Everything is coming along, and yeah, I'm happy with how it's turning out. It's nice to see all the proper parts coming together, and we're gonna have this truck back together and solid in no time. Hopefully we can have this together for summer so that we can get some enjoyment out of the truck. There we have it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Just kind of traveling around and taking you to probably the best place to get your 32 to 72 pickup truck parts. Super knowledgeable staff and very friendly. They do ship, so you can order online, give them a call, send them an email. They are in the midst of upgrading their website so that all the prices and everything are up to date and capture what the latest steel manufacturers are charging, because all that stuff is going up. So hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.